Discover Vita Plus, a natural health drink. Rich in vitamins and minerals, micronutrients, and antioxidants. Immunity-enhancing phytochemicals, packed with power herbs for that energy boost. Discover Vita Plus, so full of life.
Vita Plus, so full of life.
Well, first Vita Plus contains 5 Filipino unique power herbs. These are, of course, moringa, we have corcorus, capsicum, amaranthus, and ipomea. 5 unique Filipino herbs, truly Filipino. The first time we're going to have these 5 herbs in one Vita Plus drink. Ipomea is a diuretic. It maintains normal blood pressure. Moringa is anti-anemia. It enhances red blood cells as well as the production of breast milk. Capsicum is good for muscle and joint health. It protects you from rheumatism as well as arthritis. It is also good for digestion. Corcorus regulates bowel movements aside from its large reserve of calcium and phosphorus. Amaranthus contains vitamin A that protects your eyes as well as your skin. First Vita Plus is unique also because of 5 characteristics. The first, it is the first product that contains these 5 power herbs. Secondly, it is in the first time in the Philippines that this product is being produced. Thirdly, it contains all the complete line of vitamins, minerals, micronutrients, fibers, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. And fourthly, it is definitely uniquely Filipino from beginning to end, mainly because it's planted by Filipino farmers, processed by Filipino farmers and processing machines. It is manufactured by a Filipino company and also sold by a Filipino company. And lastly, it has a Filipino flavor, the Landan fruit flavor. First Vita Plus has also 5 beautiful benefits to the body and to the mind. It maintains and enhances your health, wellness, and well-being. It enhances immunity against diseases, therefore protecting us from many illnesses that plagues us today. It preserves youth, beauty, and vitality by repairing tissues and cells in the body. And fourthly, it provides the energy boost and the needed stamina to fight daily stress. And lastly, it regulates, it normalizes, it balances all the different systems in the body, from digestive to nervous to reproductive health. Drink First Vita Plus every day for your total health, well-being, and wellness. For your holistic health, body, mind, and spirit. First Vita Plus, so full of life.
Sumasakit ba ang inyong katawan? Madalas ba kayong mapagod? At kung minsan-minsan ay nangihina? Kamusta naman ang inyong mga anak? Sila ba'y masigla at masaya? Gusto nyo bang maging happy, healthy, and wealthy? Ang sikreto ng kabuuang kalusugan, First Vita Plus, packed with 5 power herbs na nakapagpapasigla, nakapagpapalakas, at nagbibigay proteksyon laban sa maraming sakit. Truly, for your wellness, wholeness, and well-being. First Vita Plus, tunay na pang-iwas sa sakit. Para maalala po natin, iwas sakit. I, iwas high blood. W, walis kolesterol, toxins at pollutants sa ating katawan. A, anti-anemia. S, sigla sa pang-araw-araw. Isa na namang S, super sexy at sipag sa sex. A, anti-arthritis at rheuma. K, kinis kutis at linaw mata. I, iwas cancer. At T, tibay sikmura. Iwas sakit, First Vita Plus. At kung nag-aalala po kayo sa pagdating ng bird flu, pagbabalik ng SARS at paglalaganap ng mga di pangkaraniwang sakit, First Vita Plus ang inumin. Be prepared against disease. Take First Vita Plus every day. Your vitamins and vitality in a drink. First Vita Plus, so full of life.